Welcome one and all, it is Bobby Two Pops Breaks. On Friday, it is April the 26th. We are breaking a fresh case of Gold Rush autographed hockey jerseys. We randomed up our 6 boxes. We actually got 5 and 6. We did pick a name, get one by a random on the left. We've already randomized names and customers. Alphabetized everybody. Gave them a minute to trade, but nobody's in a trading mood, so here we go. First one of the case. Pop, pop, pop. I have a few duds here. Let's see if we can walk away with a couple of winners, though. Well, bam! Not a bad name right out of the gate there, guys. Going to be the Eric Lindros. Unfortunately, Lone Star doesn't look like it's the licensed one. To believe that was Lone Star. GSA sticker and card. And a nice Lindros sig there, guys. Very nice jersey. Check, that was Lone Star. Yep, Lone Star. Gonna take our first one of the nights. Alrighty, box 2. Bam! We're going to be a Forsberg, guys. Don't remember who grabbed that, if that was Jason or Irish. Patrick Forsberg. Bam, y'all. Beckett Witness hologram. Nice size sig on her, guys. Going to be a Colorado, man. Don't know where Pat's been lately. I think that might be one that would interest him. And that was one of the last names to go off the list there, guys. Well, gonna be a Jason on that one. Sorry, Irish knew it was one of you. Gonna be a Jason Hill hit on the Forsberg, guys. That's gonna wrap up that 2-boxer. We had 2 picked names come off the board there, guys. That's a good sign. See if we can find a couple of big boys for you here. That's gonna wrap up that break, though. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook, Twitch, even Kick. 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops breaks. Y'all have a wonderful night.